What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress Themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to apply a Black Friday banner pop-up into your WordPress website that can redirect to your shop promotions, to your landing pages, or to your mailing list, okay? So, for free, we're gonna learn how to do this without coding and in a simple way, without needs for paying absolutely anything for make and generate sales on a budget. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because I bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics, not just internet on our site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is go to Canva for generate the templates. You can search for Black Friday. You can keep the Canva free account if you prefer, no need to pay as well. And find the banner that you like most, okay? I like this one right here, maybe this one right here is good, okay? There is premium banners and free banners, okay? If you have a free account, you most choose a free banner like this one, that is pretty good as well for a shoes store. You can customize the template or just download it, okay? After doing this, we're gonna move to our WordPress dashboard, okay? Review the left sidebar of menus and hover a mouse over plugins, okay? And click on add new plugin. Into this field, okay, review the upper right corner of your screen next to keyword into search plugins. We're gonna type pop-up builder, okay? And there is this plugin right here, okay? The OptMonster is good, but they ask you to pay, they ask you for credit card, even to creating the free account, so I don't like it. So I recommend the pop-up builder, okay? This guy right here, okay? So click on install now. Click into the activate button. You're gonna be redirected to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. But if you review next to media on your WordPress dashboard, your last sidebar of menu, you can see the pop-up builder, okay? And you can hover a mouse over it and click on add new. Right here we have a couple of options to build our pop-ups, okay? I recommend that you build one using the image, that is the easier way. So click into this plus button. Now we need to enter a name for our pop-up, can be pop2 for example. Now scroll down and here is the very first options, image settings. Now let's first choose the image. I have downloaded from Canva this banner right here, okay? And I'm gonna use this, so go to upload media, select the file that you have downloaded and choose it right here. Let me insert the post, so here gonna be my banner. Now we can have a couple of extra options into these tabs right here. The display rules, you can display this everywhere, only on posts, only on pages, only on tags, okay? It's up to you, okay? You can choose a couple of settings right here. For example, you can click into this plus button to display this into pages and into posts, but not into post types, okay? It's up to you. Now we have events, for example, on load, on click, on hover. We can apply some event, for example, display a custom delay of 2, in the case that you prefer. It's up to you. We have some conditions, so this is if you are using the pro version, you have no need to pay attention about it into the free version. The behavior after special events, we can apply this as well. We can, for example, imagine that if someone submits a form for sharing their emails, you can make the banner appears, the pop-up appears sharing a discount coupon code, okay? It's about logic and you can think more about it if you need, but we're gonna jump this step. Now we have the design, okay? We can design our banner in the way that I want. I like this style right here. We can disable the pop-up border in the case that I want as well. We can enable pop-up overlay, custom, the color, opacity, and a couple of other extra options to customize the design. We can even apply a pop-up Z index, what is really good, okay? Now we can scroll it down just a little bit. We can customize the closing button, okay? So dismiss on ask keyboard, show close button, button delay, button position, the top, the right paddings, and the image. We can apply even a custom button image in the case that I want, okay? The widget, the height, the color, the pop-up border radius, the dismiss on overlay click, okay? These other options are only from Pro version, okay? Now the dimensions, okay, the dimensions. We can set this to be automatic or full screen, space of your screen. We can apply a max widget, a min widget, a max height, and a min height, okay? According to your banner size, I have chosen a different banner, okay, a rectangular banner, but you can choose the one that likes you most. And here is where the fun begins, okay? We're gonna see the advanced tabs, okay? But right here, what we can do, for example, action on pop-up content click. Imagine that someone clicks on the image to open the promotion, and you can close pop-up, redirect, or copy to clipboard. Imagine that we would like to redirect the person to our deal page, to our Black Friday promotions page. So we can go to our website, locate your shop, maybe found your products, and enter with the shop link right here. We can redirect to a new tab or not. We have a couple of other nice options, for example, pop-up showing limitations, pop-up opening sound, pop-up opening animation, pop-up closing animation, pop-up location, and disable page scrolling, okay? There is other options, okay? The scheduling, that is for Pro version, the floating button, in the case that you want, we can apply a floating button. We have some statistics, and we have options to apply custom JS and CSS codes. After all the changes made, we can click into the publish button and let's review what we got on our site. And here is our pop-up, okay? If I click on the pop-up, I'm gonna be redirected to my shop page, okay? Simple, easy, and really effective. And the best part is it works for free, so you have no need to pay absolutely anything. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes, our borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor or Gutenberg, or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can customize in the way that you want, okay? Or Growth.net servicing, Growth with 3 Ws, in order to submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, all for free, okay? And in the case that you want to go premium and unlock full access to our entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click for every single business style, premium themes, plugins, blocks, assets, templates, tools, and all the things you need to create the best website for you based on WordPress. In addition, with our full support, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock full access. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.